If you want to create a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a clean, reusable letterhead from scratch using Word's built-in tools, so you can use it for business letters, invoices, proposals, and any official document you send out. This is a great way to make your brand look more polished and consistent. And the best part is that once you set it up properly, you can save it as a template and use it again and again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. You can do this by clicking File, then New, and then selecting Blank Document. Starting with a clean document gives you full control over the design and layout. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. From there, click Header, and then choose Edit Header at the bottom of the menu. This opens the header area, which is one of the best places to build a letterhead because anything you place there will appear consistently on every page. Now it's time to add your logo or any branding graphics. While you're still inside the header area, go back to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select the image file for your company logo. Once the logo appears, you can resize it, move it into position, and make sure it fits neatly at the top of the page. A good letterhead should feel balanced, so don't make the logo too large or too crowded. After adding the logo, begin typing your company information in the header. This usually includes your business name, street address, phone number, email address, and website. You can format this text so it looks clean and professional, using the font, size, and alignment that match your brand. Many people place the business name in a larger or bolder style so it stands out, while keeping the contact details smaller and easier to read. If your header starts to look too busy, you can also use the footer instead. To do that, go to the Insert menu and choose Footer. This is a helpful option if you want to move details like your registration number, website, or secondary contact information to the bottom of the page. Using both the header and footer can help you create a letterhead that looks organized instead of cluttered. You can also add simple design elements like a line, shape, or subtle color accent to make the letterhead look more polished. Just remember to keep it professional and easy to read. The goal is to create something that represents your brand without overpowering the actual letter content. Once your design looks the way you want it to, the most important final step is saving it correctly. Go to File, then Save As, choose a location on your computer, and in the Save As type dropdown, select Word Template, which is the .x format. Saving it as a template means you can reuse the same letterhead design anytime without accidentally changing the original version. That saves a lot of time and keeps your branding consistent across every document. From there, whenever you need to write a new letter, you can open the template, type your message, and your letterhead will already be in place. It's a simple but powerful way to make your documents look more professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.